Hi guys,
क्या
welcome
चल रहा है
to
भाई?
Sheena's vlog.
Basically, I just have to make sure it's not boring. I don't know when I'm going.
Wait,
छोटी
when
बात
you're
नहीं
going
है.
out?
Come Dana is subscribing to my YouTube. I'm going on a blind date, and I'm like a little bit nervous. Okay, so I'm doing like this show. I thought I won't be able to vlog it. I don't know how I'll vlog the entire thing, but I feel like this is gonna be fun. Vanity here. This is a show and it's gonna be like on OTT or something. I don't know, but like I'm nervous. So I have a Vanity. What the hell? I was fully not planning on vlogging this, but the minute I reached here, I was like, maybe I should. Thank you. No waiting for Chal. Wait, Jal.
Wait.
God. हेलो. मैं तो 25 साल की हूँ, आपने 20 साल मेकअप किया. So this is a dating show. I have no idea who I'm going on a date with. Oh my god, this is lovely breakfast. क्या?
आप कुछ होगा तो बोलिएगा.
ठीक है, thank you. I'm having a very carb-heavy breakfast. I don't know the person. I have no idea who it is. Basically, I filled out like a form of like what I want in a partner and things like that. I'm Sheena. I'm 25. I think I'm ambitious. I'm hilarious. I'm also very petty. I'm pretty basic. What I value most in a partner, it's not one thing. Ambition, loyalty, empathy, must be. Like I want him to be able to have fun, not too serious, but also serious enough to make sure that a future and abundance in your potential life with me. It really made me sit down and wonder whether my expectations are too high or not. I've just found out like a little bit about the format. They didn't tell me anything. I was just asked to get like some outfit options and stuff. Yeah, that's the vibe. I was not planning on vlogging this because when I'm there on the date, like I'm not going to be able to, you know, really vlog anything. But I think the prep is really fun. I honestly am doing it just for the experience. I'm going to be on not a social media platform, which is very interesting because beginning of this year I was like, will I somehow do any kind of reality TV? You know, that was something I was thinking about and it's kind of happening, which is very interesting. Although I have no idea how I'm gonna be, I'm hoping that I don't like make a fool out of myself. The best thing that can happen is that I can say something really stupid and go viral, and the worst thing would be I might get cancelled because like I come off as really mean or something. Okay, I think this is gonna take some time, so I will come back once it's all done. Bye. My hair and makeup is done. It looks so good. I have to change my pants, grey ones from Nevs. I'm so nervous because they came and they did like a whole briefing thing. Basically, I just have to make sure it's not boring, which is a little bit intimidating. I don't know, we'll see. What if I don't like the guy? Like, it's really catching up. The nerves are really catching up. I don't know how to feel about this. Oh my god. Bro, they've put a mic and all. There's a mic on me. I don't know how much I'm allowed to tell, but anyway, this is gonna go live after the episode goes live. So I'm also slowly realizing that this is the first kind of test of my new personality and whether I'm actually fun or not. I'm under the belief that I was low-key and quiet because I didn't have the best company around me. But now that I'm in like in a better surrounding and you know like just kind of thriving, am I really entertaining or was I just like gaslighting myself? I have no idea, and I'm gonna find out today whether I'm a fun person or not. Whenever I've been on a date, like I've made it fun because I just talk so much and stuff, but I'm gonna find out for real today, and that is a very intimidating feeling, not gonna lie. I called Devika because I'm like losing it a little bit, and I'm just waiting here, and just like I never should be made to wait. There's like board games and shit, but like the director came and he was like, remember it's for a show, so you have to like be entertaining, and I'm like, oh my god. Like you tell me otherwise, I'm fine. But now it's in my head.
You just like you've done a podcast before. You know it's shooting. You know that people are looking at like the
The guy
cameras.
is like really lame or something, and I just don't want to be tagged like a mean girl. You know what I mean?
See, the guy won't be lame, but he definitely is bringing some interesting perspective. That's why the guy is there. So play along with that.
That is so true.
They can't have someone like that, especially across you. He must be even more nervous, TBH.
I mean,
And
he
he
doesn't
sees
know.
you.
I
But
hope
he
he
knows
doesn't
it's
know
gonna-
me. I just hope that he doesn't know me.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah, like because then it comes with like preconceived notions, and I don't want. But then I'm not some big celebrity, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna give you a little tour of this vanity. This is the makeup place. This is the mirror. There's the door. There's a bathroom here. My stuff is all here. There's a dress as well. The bathroom is small, tiny. I don't think I should show that. I am just waiting to go. Oh my god, I am so nervous. Oh my god, I am so nervous. All the best to me, all the best to me. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay, we're going in now. I've been asked to carry my wallet and my makeup bag for some reason. That's Drishti. Do you want to say hi? Hi. I'm so nervous. There's suddenly pressure on me to like be entertaining and shit. But I think I'll be fine. Yeah. क्या? I don't know when I'm going in. My makeup dada is subscribing to my YouTube. I did not ask him to do it. He asked me for my YouTube. So now whenever this goes up, he said उनको देखना है. I can feel a headache coming. Thank you. I can feel a headache coming. She'll take this one. My head is hurting. I had to sit down with Puru and Tanmay and they asked me like a bunch of relationship questions. It was a lot, but now I know that my expectations are way too high. Oh my god, there's a whole crew here. हरी मिर्च है यहाँ पे कुछ तो है some game and all. Stress हो रहा है. My headache is going slowly, so that's good. Oh my god, I just got done. What an experience, bro. Wait, I'll talk about it in the vanity. Oh my god, I was not expecting anything actually, but that spark was not there. Immediately like, this is not the vibe. But interesting, very fun. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome
क्या चल रहा है
to
भाई?
Sheena's vlog. How was the shoot? Sheena,
You tell
कैसा
me.
लगा तेरे
You
को?
tell me.
Did you like the show?
Yeah.
सही लगा? मजा आया ना तेरे को?
मजा
तो अभी भी मैंने देखा तू उससे बात करी थी.
Yeah, we're going to get lunch.
अरे मेरे शो के बाद लोग लंच करने जा रहे हैं
हाँ,
साथ
but
में.
we are going as friends.
ये तो झूठी बातें हैं ना.
झूठी बात
You're
नहीं
going
है.
out?
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
going out with that guy.
Yeah, we spoke and we're like, that click was not there.
If you
मैंने
end
बोला
up going
था-
out with this guy,
I am not
You have
going.
to-
No,
thank me at least.
I am not going to go out with him.
Okay.
100%.
Guys, you are like the proof of this.
I am not going out with him. He's not my type at all.
तो
Wait, I am going. Bye. See you.
Bye bye. See you.
Guys, this is my date. Gaurav taking my bag. Look at that. So sweet. देख रहे हो तुम दिखाओ.
Bro,
I'm doing my own business. We're at Tanjore and we're going to do the curry testers now. Because this is the classic. We do this all the time. I get everyone here. So obviously, and it's like 5 minutes from the place. So we're here. Okay, let's go. My most favorite thing to do is to come home and lie down on my bed. I feel so good. I have no idea how this video is gonna look. But if you watched it and you enjoyed it, watch the episode, come back and comment. Tell me what you thought. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap now. अगले वाले में मिलती हूँ. Bye.
Your lips were caught on mine. Don't wanna go home.